Hey guys, welcome to Smartphonefan. And now here is the Ayaneo Air, the newest handheld from Ayaneo, and they just finished this Kickstarter crowdfunding project online, and now we have the special edition. Is called the B-Dark edition, and as we can see, compared to the normal edition, this one have a real image of this handheld in front of books, and also the art part of this books is yellow, and this color is from the IP Be Dark, and it's very cute figures and characters in China. And this time we will have a very quick and very simple unboxing video about this special edition Ayaneo Air Be Dark edition. And so first is the box, and then we will go to the specification one. And as we can see, they have a totally new designed box, and it's very attractive, this color actually, and also the appearance of this special edition, it's customized. And next, let's open it. And this time, yes, we have here AMD Ryzen 5 5560U edition, so it's the Ayaneo Air. Okay, next let's unbox it and check what's inside this box. Whoa, actually I really like this color. It's so attractive, and compared to the most of the other handheld in the market, most of them are black, white, gray, but this time, yeah, they have a special edition, and I'm really into it. So here, after we open the books, we can find slogan: real gamers, no gamers. And okay, we can get this, and then the Ayaneo B-Dark. Okay, this is company information. Okay, so after we uncover these two, this is two things, and then and put them aside first, and then the product in front of us here. Whoa, we can find the B-Dark logo, character, and the name and words, and the character is in front of the charger. Okay, also Ayaneo logo and B-Dark logo here. So this is the charger. Okay, it's Type C, is Type C dot, and it support PD fast charger. And here, whoa, here is the, let's open this very small box. And okay, so this is the Type C to Type C cable. Okay, this is the cable, and put it back as well. Put it back. Also, we can find Ayaneo logo, brand logo, and B-Dark logo here. And here, this part, we can also get two adapters, and this Type C to USB to Type C. Yes, two USB to Type C adapter. Okay, and then let's go to the handheld, the Ayaneo Air. So this is the Ayaneo Air B-Dark edition. And before we go to this product, now I'm going to show you the paper inside this box. Ayaneo B-Dark. So this is the it's the quick start and introduction of this of this handheld. Then, dear gamers, please notice these tips. So this is the tips. Okay, for the users. Okay, we can also get the different specification information here, and we have the Ayaneo Air, and here they provide the Ayaneo Air Pro information as well. So here we can find the difference between these two devices. 15 watt. This one have for the charger, and also the 80 watt is for the Air Pro edition, and also the processor mode is different. This one is only support the AMD 5560U, but the Air Pro one is support AMD 5825U, so it's much higher specification on the Pro one. Okay, let's put it aside as well, and then this is other, more details and different languages, instructions about this model, and also the warranty card. And here is the AR space, and yes, like Steam, Steam OS. This device it also supports the itself AR space. It's the own space, because this Ayaneo it supports the Ayaneo OS and Ayaneo space, so we can run the games and save the games into this special case. Okay, here are more details about how to use these instructions manuals. Let's put this aside as well, and then here we can find the yellow handheld is in front of us. It's so attractive. This color actually, I love it so much. And yes, the device is pure yellow. Okay, buttons yellow, and these buttons are black, and really combine the element from the big duck. And also here you find some instructions and some introduction about this game handheld. First, here is the left stick and LS button, and also is the joystick is support joystick ambient light when we turn on it, and also the direction buttons, and also the left one is the window button, and also the menu button. So it's these two special buttons here, and also here you can find it have ABXY buttons, and also here is the right stick buttons, and also the RS button, and also this circle here you find it support joystick ambient light, and also here is the AR button, and also the hold buttons. Yes, so this is the front instruction, and also here let's go to the side, the top side. Here is the left and right buttons, and also the right handle right buttons and hand right buttons, and also here hand LB buttons and handle LT buttons. Yes, it's the RBRT, sorry. And also here we can find the RC, this part. It's not so easy to find, because they also have another two buttons here, LB, LT, and RT, RB, but also here we can find some dots here, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. Actually, this we can it's physical buttons. We can control it, we can press it, and it can yes, it's RC buttons, LC buttons. And also here we can find here is the power button, and also they combine can get more close, is the fingerprint buttons. And also here it's a volume button, volume buttons here. Yes, this angle we can get more clean here. Volume up, volume down, and also here is the Type-C full function Type-C dot, and also it support PD 3.0 and USB 3.2. And also here we can find some active cooling air outlet. Yes, so this is a big, yes, very big air outlet as well. So next we go to the back side, and also here we get information from the paper. Here is the active cooling air inlet. So the wind from here and then out from here to bring the heating temperature and the heating temperature outside of the machine. And also here find is the it's SD extension SD card cover. And also here is our 3.5 mm audio interface and also PD 3.2 dB. So here two Type-C dot, and also it's our top function, full function Type-C Type-C dot. Also here left and right we can find the left speaker and right speaker. So this is the very detailed introduction and about this device, and then we can talk on the specification of this model. And for this one, okay, now we have 10 on the device, and now I will talk on the specification about this device. Okay, here, okay. So yes, now we have wake up screen, and now we can see the screen is on, and this time they worked with BDuck. So the wallpapers, the default wallpaper of this device is Ayaneo and BDuck wallpaper, and this time they use this 5.5-inch AMOLED touchscreen. It support 1920 and 1080, and also this time they use the CPU is AMD Ryzen 5 5560U, and this time we have the ROM is 8 GB RAM, and also it have a storage 512 GB RAM ROM, and this time this is support LPDDR4X, and also for the ROM is support to expandable through micro SD. And also this time we can see the size is really slim. It's slim, and also it's thin. It's actually the main feature of this product is the ultra thin features. It's only the dimensions of this device is length 8.8 inch and width 3.5 inch and depth 0.7 inch. So it's very ultra thin. And also this time for this one is support to the battery support to 28 to 38 hours working hours, and also it support Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. And when we hand it in our hand, I can feel that it's very, very light. It's only 450 grams, and this one also the size is not so big. You can really put it into your pocket. So this is also their another main features. You can put this handheld into your into your pocket. The first is the first ultra thin OLED Windows handheld. It's ultra light and thin, and also we can for the joysticks, it support small hover triggers, and we can find the customizable buttons from here and here. So it's very convenient, yes, and very nice device. About the screen, yes, I think I should mention that for this screen, it can run the 3A titles games. I mean, yes. When we choose the 380p resolution, all India games can run perfectly at FPS 60, and for the main 3A titles can be run smoothly at 50 FPS 30. So this is also about the screen part, and also about the width of this product. The Pro one is 450 grams, but this one is the Air is only 398 grams, so it's even lighter than the Pro one. So this is actually it's very light and very useful and very nice when we use this for the long time. And also, I think mentioned that this was the first small hover joystick on the Windows gaming handheld. It's have an excellent structural design, and for the gaming handheld is support high purification hold triggers, and also it's a breaking tasting and exclusive gaming management software with the air space. It's our okay when we connect to the Wi-Fi, we can enter the AR space, and we can get the AR OS and OS space. So this is the special one about this product. Also, besides this Air edition, they also provide the Pro, Light, and Air. So we have three different specifications for us to choose, and also this time the Ayaneo B Duck. So it's the Ayaneo teamed up with B Duck. Is to cooperate the model to bring gamers a playful gaming experience. So this is very quick and very simple unboxing video about this device, and about the gaming part we will show it in another video. And I hope you like this device compared to the mainstream handholders. This one actually have some stand out and some disadvantages. If you like it, you can check on the official website, or maybe you can check from the Kickstart campaign links. So okay, this is the main old content about this video, and thanks for watching. Hope you like it, and stay tuned waiting for more cool gadgets from here from Smartphone Fan. Bye bye.